Hi, Miss Osborne. These are video essay questions for Chapter 9. It says, summarize the steps for muscle contraction. Begin with the nerve impulse reaching the axon terminal and end with the re-energizing of the myosin after a single power stroke. Okay, let's start off by, at first, there's a nerve impulse that travels to the neuromuscular junction on the muscle cell, and the axons of the nerve meet with the muscle cell. ACH is released from the axon to the receptors that is located on the sarcoma. The binding of ACH causes depolarization of the sarcoma by opening ion channels and letting sodium ions into the muscle cell. The sodium ions diffuse into the muscle fiber and depolarization occurs, causing a wave of electrical current across the sarcoma. The electrical current, or the action potential, travels across the sarcoma and down the T-tubules that triggers sarcoplasmic reticulum to release calcium. When calcium levels rise, the calcium ions bind with the troponin, which removes the blocking action of the tromosin. From the actin binding sites, myosin binds with the actin and forms a cross bridge that starts the contraction process. In order to contract, ATP has to bind to the myosin, which gives the myosin the energy to cock to a high energy position. Actin and myosin binds together to form a cross bridge. The myosin heads, then the actin filaments inward and release ADP and pi and return to a low energy position. The myosin is now ready for more ATP to bind, and they repeat the cycle. And the cycle or the process will not stop as long as there are calcium ions and ATP available. Thank you. That's the end. Video essay questions, Chapter 9.